Anxiety isn't always a bad thing. It can help keep us alert and help us stay out of danger, encourage us to succeed, and help motivate us to solve problems. Many of us, however, have an unusually high and unhealthy amount of anxious energy. This anxiousness can be caused by many different factors and looks differently for everyone. However, a bit of self awareness, new routines, and time can help you learn to manage your anxiety and create a more peaceful existence for yourself. Welcome to Managing Your Anxiety with Life Coach Talia Sage. Anxiety is defined as a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease, typically about an imminent event or something with an uncertain outcome. While anxiety can be normal in stressful situations like giving a speech, taking a test, or doing something new, it is only an indicator of a deeper issue when those feelings become excessive and interfere with daily living. Anxiety is the most common mental health concern in the USA today, affecting approximately 40 million adults and countless of adolescents. The invisible symptoms of anxiety may look like overthinking, constant worry or fear, trouble focusing, and indecisiveness. Some of the more noticeable symptoms can appear as pain, sweating or chills, racing heart, shaking or trembling, upset stomach, headache, fatigue, and even shortness of breath. While there are many theories about what causes anxiety, be it hereditary, learned behaviors, or trauma, one thing is certain: anxiety can begin at any time and at any stage of life. While anxiety isn't always preventable, there are things that you can do to help manage and minimize your anxious energy. As a life coach, I like to utilize the mind, body, and soul connection, along with the 5 W's and how. Anxiety first takes shape in our mind, and if left unchecked, it will spread to our body, causing pain and other symptoms, and eventually form new, unstable patterns, habits, and ways of thinking that may be a detriment to our spirit. Here are some tips to help you recognize and manage your anxiety spiral before it gets out of control. When you feel out of control, or unable to make decisions, or paralyzed with fear or worries, take 3 deep breaths and walk yourself through this 3-step process in order to ground your energy and connect back into the present moment. Begin by asking yourself these questions. How does your mind feel? Are you fixating on a certain thought or event? Do you feel an inexplicable fear, dread, or nervousness? Are your thoughts racing? Is your mind jumping from thought to thought with no particular subject in mind? Are your thoughts spiraling through all of the things that have ever gone wrong in your life? And are your thoughts present-oriented or focused on the past or future? If you found yourself answering yes to any of these questions, you may be in an anxiety spiral. Next, bring awareness to your physical vessel. How does your body feel? Are your shoulders or neck tight? Are you suddenly experiencing more headaches? Do you feel as if there are butterflies or a general unease in your stomach? Are you fatigued even though you've gotten plenty of rest? Are you shaking or feeling chilled, sweaty, or have a racing heart? Do you feel restless, unable to sit still, but still lack a sense of direction? If you answered yes to any of these, you may be in an anxiety spiral. But what can you do to dispel this energy? Tap into your soul, creating a new foundation, center point for yourself. Ask yourself, who, what, when, where, why, and how. Who or what has triggered me to feel anxious? What can I do to improve this situation or feeling? When can I do something about it? Where can I go physically or mentally to feel safe and calm my spirit? How can I change the way I'm relating to this issue or problem? And how can I prevent an anxiety attack from occurring in the future? As you are able to recognize what is happening in your mind and body, you can begin to control and transmute your anxious energy into something more positive and productive. Following this 3-step process can help you create new routines and habits enabling you to create new supportive and positive mentalities and attitudes. If you would like more support managing your anxiety, feel free to reach out to me at my website, www.taliasage.com.